Welcome back to the Knowledge Hub podcast. What if you could run your entire business from sales to payroll to your website from a single dashboard without getting tangled in a dozen different apps? That's the promise of a modern ERP or enterprise resource planning system. And today we're looking at one called Odoo that takes a unique approach. Instead of giving you a massive one size fits all piece of software, it works more like a set of Lego blocks for your company. The core idea is that you only start with the pieces you absolutely need. Every business is different, and the software that runs it should be just as flexible. So you might begin with a couple of essential modules. First, maybe you add the sales module to create quotes and turn them into orders. Then you connect the accounting module to automatically handle the invoicing. Just with those two pieces, you've already eliminated a ton of manual data entry between different systems. From there, you build out. If you have a physical store, you can snap on the point of sale module. If you manage a warehouse, you add the inventory module, which can even connect to barcode scanners to track stock in real time. There are modules for human resources, marketing automation, project management, and even building a full e-commerce website. Each one is designed to talk to all the others, creating a single, unified source of truth for your entire operation. The interesting part is seeing how this plays out in the real world. The article mentions a Belgian chocolate manufacturer that used this approach to connect its production, inventory, and HR systems. The result? They cut their production costs by 10% and their weekly administrative time in half. Another example was a perfume retailer that unified its online and physical stores. This simple change reduced overselling by 95% because their inventory was finally synchronized everywhere. It shows that you don't need a massive, complex system from day one. You can start with your biggest pain point, solve it with one or two modules, and then expand as you grow. It's a reminder that the most powerful systems aren't always the most complicated ones, but the most connected.